I'm Wilhelm Hübner. I'm a urologist in Vienna, and I've been working in functional urology for a very long time. In Madrid, I'm happy to have Emmanuel Chartier-Kastler with us, and Ralf Anding, and also Craig Comiter from Stanford University in the US. We'll cover both standard procedures, but also the difficult troubleshooting and complex concepts for fragile urethras, for erosions with sphincter surgery. It will include flap surgery, tunica flaps. It will include the open cuff concept, which is interesting for perforated urethras and things like that. We have meetings at the ICS where we really get together and kind of standardize our thoughts. And this really doesn't happen anywhere else.